Okay, coming with you guys with another video. If you see the description that is in the title box, you know what it means. You don't necessarily have to talk about it. See, it's midday over at my house now. There's no people around right now. Nothing around besides nature. I don't know if these people might be back though. See, all the bugs are trying to get in my ears and stuff. I'm not gonna keep this video too long, but see, nature, so beautiful. All the bugs are trying to get in my ears. I wouldn't be doing this if these neighbors were still here. I wouldn't be doing this video right now if these people were still living in this house. So. Hopefully the skies will get clearer soon. Okay. Nature video. Because nature is beautiful and and the wind is still blowing a little bit. It seems like it's getting more clear out here though.